Okay. Let me power on. So the panel is working, bottom is working, all the other function is working. Just no mist, as you can see. Timer is working. So right now it's level 3 highest mist. Nothing. Everything looks normal and clean. Water level looks good. Just no mist. Okay. This is the second one. We got 2. Okay. Okay, bottom working, highest level. All the other is functional. Just again, no mist. So right now it's level 3. Hard to focus. No mist. Same failure mode. I did clean the tank, the unit. I have another tank. It's the same model, so I just use the same tank. Again, everything looks good. Just not working. No mist. And I did use the vinegar to clean. So sad. I like the unit though.